If you're like me, you have a hard time making symmetric holes when you're drilling holes in glasses. So for that reason, for my mechatronics final, I decided to make a machine that places drills in a symmetric way when you drill glasses. So to start off, I just wanted to give a little tour of the machine and the different parts that it has on it. So here's the control system. We have a user input of a keypad. We have the LCD display matrix. Then we've got two stepper motors. We have two rotary encoders, and you can see how they're connected in here to a pulley system. And then we have two limit switches. Okay, so I just wanted to give a quick tutorial of what it would be like to actually run one of these machines. So to start it off, you're going to have to hit calibrate so that the machine will understand where the motor mounts are. So we're just going to calibrate, and one by one, the mounts here are going to run until they hit the limit switch. Alright, and then once it's calibrated, it asks for a pupillary distance, which for an average American male is going to be about 55.5 millimeters. And so then it says here, push 1 to move. So it's got the pupillary distance, now it's ready to go. See, it's going to start off very slow. It's going to slowly speed up, and then once it gets into position, it should hopefully come to a stop. See there, it slows down, it's getting close. Which is an example of the PID loop, in that it's proportional, and it also has checks in there to make sure it doesn't go too fast, and it also doesn't plow through when it gets to position. So you can see here that it is that 55.5 millimeters that we were hoping for. Another feature I wanted to show was the safety feature I have of the emergency stop. Because this is a moving machine, there's a possibility that people can get hurt, people can get pinched. Because of that, I included that as a design possibility. As you can see here, the rotary encoder is connected to this. So I'm going to simulate what would happen in the event that someone got caught in the machine by stopping the rotary encoder so the machine believes that the drill assembly is no longer moving, simulating if someone was to get stuck inside of it. So I'll give it a pupillary distance of 55.5, and then I'll push 1 to move, but this time I'm going to hold the rotary encoder so it cannot twist. And see, the buzzer goes off and it stops.